Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you 3 new design changes on Samsung phones with the new Android 16 and One UI 7. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 and the first one, if you tap and hold on the home screen and go to wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpapers and now we have here dynamic wallpapers. If you choose one of these wallpaper and tap next, you will see that during the day the light and the color will change and now it's morning and we have a light color, but in the evening we will have a darker color. So just tap done. And that's all. This is how it looks now, the home screen and the lock screen, and you will see in the evening that the color will change. Okay, now the second one, for that again tap and hold on the home screen. I will go to wallpaper, change wallpapers, and here I have a few wallpapers downloaded by me from the Galaxy teams. And if I choose this one for this time only for the lock screen and tap next, as you can see I have a very nice wallpaper with the moon, and also here I have the clock, but the clock it's over the moon and I don't like it. And now you can change the clock. For that, just tap here and tap on style, choose this vertical clock. Now go to font and colors, and in Android 16 we have the adaptive clock on Samsung phones. Tap on it and now move it like this, and as you can see the clock will adapt after the object in the wallpaper. And this is very good. Also, if you have a wallpaper with your family or with you, you can put the clock like this, and the picture will look good. Now just tap done and let's see. This is how it looks now, my wallpaper. It is very nice. And now the last one. For that I will go to this weather widget, and as you can see we have now a nice animation with this woman with an umbrella, and it's very intuitive, and it shows how is the weather outside and what do you need to go outside. In my opinion it is very nice, and this is a good weather widget. So these are 3 new design changes in Android 16 with One UI 8. In my opinion are very nice changes. I hope this video to be useful for you, and also if you like my type of content you can subscribe and share it, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.